Hi everyone, welcome to 114 Waterside Circle. Come on in. Look at this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo.
Hey guys, it's George Cooper here with Deb Beran Properties. Right off to the left here, we have bedroom number 1. Over here we have your spacious master bedroom with its own balcony. And an ensuite bathroom.
And now stepping into the living room and dining area, we are looking at the main channel here at the lake. And this is definitely one of the best ways to get on the lake at an affordable price. Here at Waterside Circle in the waterfront, it is some of the lowest HOA costs. And if you guys have any questions about this property, we would love to hear them. Don't hesitate to reach out.